Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s e to the power of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side in here. First derivative of s, we have number 1. First derivative of e to the power of s, we got e to the power of s. Next, e to the power of s, e to the power of s, we can do about factorization. dv, we have ds over s plus 1 to the power of 2. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative number 1 over s plus 1. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have negative s e to the power of s over s plus 1 minus, we have negative and negative, you got about positive. So we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration. This one over this one. So we simplify and we have e to the power of s. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.